us. Wait, where's the shark? Sharky! Shark! Sharky shark!
I know they are.
Why are so many giant stairs to shark? Oh my god! An egg goes in here! An egg goes in here. It's like a fighter. It's kind of like a fighter.
Yeah.
Instead of fish. Imagine you see a shark. Imagine you see a fighter. It's fake. I think it's trying to breathe. It's so cute. It's so cute.
Make a ball. So put your hand in a ball. You're gonna put your hand. See how it sucked it?
Yeah. That feels too weird.
Lana, you don't want to do it?
They're too. Oh my god, they literally just got me wet.